everyone, and welcome to our new series called Workflow Wednesdays, where we dive into some of the highlights of Telnyx Flow. Today I'm going to walk you through how to build a chatbot that's powered by your own knowledge. So whether that's internal documents, FAQs, or product manuals, all of that can be easily uploaded to Telnyx Flow and used to make your chatbots even more intelligent. So what you're going to do is log in and create a workspace, and then we're going to move to buckets under the metadata section on the left-hand side of the navigation. From there, create a bucket, and we're going to name this Demo Information Bucket. Select your region, and then press Create. So you can upload information from one of our loaders that we have integrated into Flow, or any documents that you have on your computer. So for the purposes of making things simple today, I put all of the information I want to upload into a folder, and now I can just drag and drop all of that straight into Flow. I press upload, and it's going to take a little bit, but once all of that's uploaded, I'm going to embed it, and now I can use this bucket in one of my workflows. So now I'm going to move to workflows and create one, and for the purposes of keeping this demo short and sweet, I'm going to just build one from a template. I'm going to pick Simple Bot, which is just a very simple chatbot, and name it Chatbot Demo. Now, since I built it from a template, pretty much everything that I need is already here, except in order to access that bucket that we just embedded, I'm going to right click and select our AI tool. So now I'm going to quickly name this tool, and I'll call it Document Search, and give it a quick description. This tool houses information on whatever you uploaded. For me, it was our information on our voice AI product. Give it a quick system message, which is telling the tool how to act. I'm going to say search this tool whenever the user asks about voice AI. Great. Now move over to the output tab and click on that bucket search. We're now going to add that bucket, and the cool thing is it'll automatically pop up, which is super handy. And then pick your search term. For me, since all the information I uploaded about was voice AI, I'm going to put that in here, and then add an argument, call it voice AI search, and pretty much similar to our system message, right? Search this tool whenever asked about voice AI. Fantastic. Now what I'm going to do is drag and connect my tool to my AI assistant. I'm going to go in and actually switch my LLM and add a session ID just so that we can enable some chat history. Now I'm going to press save and move into my first node and run my workflow. So in order to show you when this tool is and is not used, I'm going to first ask a question that does not have to do with my search term. So I'm going to say, what does Telnyx do? And if everything goes according to plan, it's not going to hit this tool and instead just provide an answer straight from the LLM itself, which is exactly what happened. So I'm going to say thanks. And now in order to get it to hit the tool, I'm going to say, what is voice AI? And now it will hit the tool, and it might take a little bit more time to generate an answer because it's parsing through a lot of documents that we provided, but this response is going to be very accurate based on the documents that we provided. So this tool is essential if you are trying to build chatbots that are based on your own knowledge and can answer any question specific to your business. So I hope you guys like this tool, test it out, so dive into Flow and start building your chatbots today.